Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to show storage on the IMO application. So how to show storage on the IMO application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the IMO app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the app. Next, tap the profile icon in the top left of the screen. A scrolling menu will appear. Next, tap the Settings menu. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap the Storage Data menu. This will appear. Next, tap Manage Storage. Here you can see the amount of storage and how much is used. So that's it, tutorial on how to show storage on the IMO application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.